Check, check. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. Let's turn it to a party, baby. Let's go! Can I play with your partner? All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's turn it to the party. Let's turn it to a party. Where my ladies at? Where my ladies at? Where my ladies at? Let's go, ladies! Come on, come on! All right, I need all my dancing queens right now. All my dancing queens on the dance floor. Let's go, dancing queens! I see you out there. Come on! Okay. It's time to work it, baby. Let's work it, let's work it, let's work it. Y'all remember the song? Y'all remember the song? See the words. Here we go, here we go. Taking you back, taking you back. This is how we do. Come on.
thing, bitch. Can I shake that thing, bitch? And I better shake that thing, yeah. Da da da, we love the power.
Now it's time to really party. DJ, take us to another level. Let's go. Here we go. Party rock. Let's go, baby.
I'm sexy and I know it.
Tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night.
Here we go. That's right. The casino closes at 11 o'clock. 11:01, I want to see everybody on my dance floor to bring us home for the last hour.
On the way they talk, all I wanna be keeping you warm. I got the right temperature.
I like shining, I like $1 million deals. Where's my pen? Bitch, I'm signing. I like bad shit, make them nervous. Say yo, you can f with me if you wanted to. These expensive, these is red bottoms. H-O-T-T-O-G-O. You can take me
Un, dos, tres, cuatro. Un, dos, tres. knees. Activate those knees. Activate those knees. Let's go, fellas. Okay, ladies. Bring it back, ladies. Bring it back, bring it back, bring it back. Let's take us home, ladies. Come on.
Here's what it is, it's a false start. She a big old freak, it's a must that I hit, it's a hot girl summer.
Put your hands up to the moon. Girls, what y'all trying to do?
Kiss her, love her. That girl is.
How did you know me? Who used to?
All right, ladies and gentlemen, this really is going to be the last song for tonight. Thank you, guys. So I was contracted until midnight. So this is me letting everyone know, okay, night's over. All right. But as you can see, they were not happy. So the people that is here right now, those are pretty much the VIPs. So spouses of the people who actually work there. So the CEO came up to me and said, hey, Nathaniel, what would it cost for you to stay another hour? I told them in my contract, it's a $500 overtime fee, which they agreed to. And this is exactly how that went.
Get the mic. I need the mic now. Hey. We just paid $500 for Nathaniel to keep going for one more hour. Let's go!
I got my club on, but didn't dig out. Finally got a call from a boy I wanna dig out.
Cruising down the street in Masterclass, jocking the free, clapping the dog, went to the block to get the street.
Real dogs still kicking with me. All my down, still tripping with me.
I got fire on it. Come down, let's go back on side. I take some.
Throw your hands in the air.
In my everyday that you can for a stand. When I leave the blue like every night, she's a band.
The only tip I got for a whaler is lock the door knob, hit me with the dirty door.
Jail lips inserted, a baby's being born, same time a man is murdered, the beginning and end is from.
With so much drama in the LBC, it's kinda hard being money in my money on my mind.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are back in the studio. And just like always, because you made it to the end of the video, I would like to share with you what I made for this event. So this event came out to be $49.98.42. And what that covered was 7 hours of consecutive DJ services. It included the Code Sparks and it included the satellite setup. Now, this number right here, this number happens whenever you know how to get into the room. The way that you get into the room is by showing up online, so that way that the right client finds you. Also, when that client finds you, you have to turn that inquiry into a signed contract. That is what the Social Media Marketing Masterclass and the Blueprint teaches you. The Masterclass is what gets you found. The Blueprint is what closes the deal. And you can cancel anytime. But if you want to book gigs like this, that is going to be your next move. Scan the QR code on the screen, or hit the link in the description. And if you want to preview the blueprint and the masterclass, I'm going to put a link to that playlist right here. But if you already have access, this video right here is going to be the next one you want to see. What are you waiting for? Click one of these videos. If you want to become a channel member, click this one right here. But if you are already a channel member, this video is the one you want to see.